Hey guys, how are we doing? Just thought I'd come on here and do a quick video. So I'm here, got these BMW S1000 carbon wheels that I'm having to change. We're going for some Dymag wheels to replace them, but this is the second carbon wheel that we've had crack on this BMW. The first one cracked around the valve, and then the tyre was going down, and this wheel here has cracked on the inside where the spokes meet. It's a bit of a bad shout really, isn't it, from BMW? Carbon fibre wheels and they're cracking like that. I just wanted to see what your opinions on the matter was and if anyone suffered the BMW wheel cracking. Nice. Looking good. Let's get the disc swapped over and then we can get the carbon wheels boxed back up for it. Especially at 15. So my customer decided to go with the Dymag UP7X wheels. Really nice looking wheels, very light. I think he's made a good choice. Have you had the BMW carbon wheels crack? If you have, what wheels did you go with? Like, subscribe, comment, have a chat about it.